Travis Rogers with Bobby from DenMat. So there's a lot of buzz at the show about a couple new products. Tell us about what's new at DenMat.
On the laboratory side, last year we introduced something we call ART. It's actually an acronym, ART. It stands for Additive Reductive Templates. And ART is essentially a color by numbers system for doing complex aesthetic cases like an 8 or 10 unit veneer case. So we do a lot of the work for the clinician up front. We create a full diagnostic wax up for the case. We provide the doctor with templates that will instruct the clinician where to reduce and where to build up for the case. We provide them a color-coded model which will indicate where the tooth is going to be reduced using the templates, where they're going to reduce freehand to soften some of the hard edges, and even where to reduce soft tissue if they needed to do a little gingival contouring. We then provide them with a provisionalization matrix so that they can actually, once they do the preparation, they can provisionalize the teeth. The patient and the doctor will get a great view of what the final restorations are going to look like. It's essentially a blueprint for the final case. And then lastly, we provide the veneers themselves, which are some of the highest quality veneers you'll find on the market today.
Nice. Hey, Bobby, how does our audience get in touch with you?
It's pretty easy. You can call us at any time at 1-800-4DenMat or come to our website, www.denmat.com.
All right, thanks for your time. Appreciate it.
Well, thank you.